Welcome students, class 10. Ready? Very good. Previous video we discussed about the basic meaning of trigonometric ratios. Yes or no? In few seconds, let us revise what we did in previous video. Yes, number one. In right triangle, how many acute angles are there? Very good. 2 acute angles. Okay. For each acute angle, what is the name for its opposite side? Very good. Perpendicular side. What is the name for adjacent side of the given acute angle? Base. Very good. See, base and perpendicular are very important, right? If you are able to recognize base and perpendicular of the respective acute angle, then you can write ratio for the trigonometric ratio. Okay, that is sine, cos, tan. If you know sine, cos, tan, you can write cosine, sec, cosec, cot. Right? Now we are talking about, see again yesterday previous video we discussed about if you are given triangle, we practiced right ratios of sine A, cos A, sine B, cos B with a given triangle. Okay. Now we will just solve examples based on trigonometric ratios. If you are given any two side, or if you are given value of any one trigonometric ratio, then you can find value of all remaining trigonometric ratios from the given thing. That type of examples we are practicing today. Now see, first I am taking, see, look here, if 15 cot A equal to 8, see student, 15 cot A equal to 8. What does it mean? It means cot A equal to 8 upon 15. See now, you are not given triangle's name. You are not given which angle is 90 degree. You are given only trigonometric ratio 15 cot A. So here A is angle. And all these angles are writing sine A, cos A, sine B, cos A, tan B. Whatever letter is there, that is for acute angle. Okay? Means one angle is acute. So we are drawing triangles. See, I am drawing triangle. Look here. Right triangle I am drawing. Now I will see and here A. We know A stands for, see, this is the name of the angle. So is this right angle? No. This is acute angle. So see, and we know in right triangle there are two acute angles. So one acute angle and the second acute angle. It is up to me. Should I give this A or this A? I'll give this A. Now remaining two names, it is up to us. Okay, I can write, say, suppose B, P, and I may say B, C. Important is this. Draw a triangle. Give this name in triangle. Either this or this. We give this. So these two names are remaining. Now we will give name to these two angles. Okay. Now see, look here, and you are knowing our formula of the cot A. What is reciprocal of tan? Yes or no? See, cot A. What is formula for cot A? Yes, base upon perpendicular. If you remember for tan A equal to perpendicular upon base. So cot equal to base upon perpendicular. So cot A equal to base upon perpendicular. Now see, for cot A, for angle A, which is base, other name of base, adjacent side, AB. See, you are given this 8 upon 15. So this 8 I am writing here. Perpendicular, opposite side 15. This is important. I mean, see, remember, naming the given side is important. Now you got it. You can find AQ. Yes or no? See, AQ square equal to PQ square plus AP square. So AQ square equal to PQ square 15 square 225. Yes or no? Plus AP square 64 equal to see 4 plus 5 9, 6 plus 2 8, 289. Now 289 AQ square. If you remember, if you know direct, very good. If you don't know direct, very good, because we know how to find square root. We will take prime factorization. These students, not necessary student knows. Some students are not remembering. Some students are very perfect. They are remembering. See, I am taking. Now look here. Yes. Check. 9 plus 8. 17 plus 2, 19. Not by 2, not by 3, not by 9. Yes or no? What if no prime factors? 2 is there, we cannot do. 3, no. 5, no. 7, no. Yes or 11? Yes. Can you do by 11? See, 9 plus 2, 11 minus 8. No 0 or no multiple of 11. Okay. So, see. Now let us come to the numbers 1 plus 9. So, whose square is having 9 in 1's place? 13 in 1's place 3. 3, 9. Let us take 9. 13 square 163. 169. No. Then after 13, okay. 17. 7, 7, 49. 17. Check 17. Don't know. Multiply. आता नहीं है. Multiply करके देखो. Multiply. Got it. Okay. See students, there is no any issue that I am knowing and remembering or not. Okay, we got it 7. I got this is 7. Important is finding all values from the given thing. Important is naming this angle any one angle. Okay, so we got it. Now they are asking find all other trigonometric ratios. Then I know first I will take sin k equal to p upon x equal to 17 upon, that is 15 upon 17. Cos a equal to x base upon hypotenuse base 8 upon 17. See how simple, very simple. Important part is up to this only. Others you can find and you can write it very less. Again, see what is there? What is known to us? Tan. Tan A. Tan A is reciprocal of what? I can get it in upon 8. It's all 4. Now cosec. Reciprocal of sin. Next, reciprocal of cos sec. 17 upon 8. Got it? See student, like this. So very simple, you got it. Main part is this. ये है क्या करूँ कौन सा है कोई भी ले लो activities or this name other names you as per your choice and write. Okay, very good. Now next see. Second now first done second sec p equal to 30 upon 12. Now what we will do in block triangle बताओ एंगल का नाम P. चलो भाई एक्यूट एंगल है इधर दे दिया, दिस इज गिवन P. अदर टू नेम्स आई एम गिविंग QR. See, it is up to you. Now you know formula of sec P. Sec is reciprocal of cos. Cos is what? Base upon hypotenuse. So hypotenuse upon base is all. Hypotenuse upon base. Now for this hypotenuse base PQ. So see you are given ratio 13 upon 12. Base hypotenuse 13 and base is 12. So find maximum. Can you find? If now see, we know PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Okay, children, see, now putting value PR 13 square, PQ 12 square plus QR square. So see 169 minus 144 equal to QR square. We got it now. 25 QR. So QR equal to 5. Important part is this, and remaining name these values according to the formula, and then sin P, cos P, tan P you can find. Yes, so this is part 1. This is for you. Yes. This is for you. See, I have changed letters R. Okay. This is homework for you. Very important. You can do it. Okay, very good. Now see. Ready? Understood? Very good. Now see. Let us come to example 3. Find tan P minus cot R. You are given this 13, 12. Just now example was that this is 5. Yes or see? You know, PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. So PR square 13 square is 169. 12 is 144 plus QR square. These things are very basic, simple, but we must be able to write in minimum time, very correct and good handwriting. We got directly. See, students can write this in minimum time. Is 5. So they are telling find tan P for this. See, tan P equal to what is formula? Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. That is QR upon PQ. 5 upon 20. Cot R. Now this angle, cot R. Cot R is what? Base upon perpendicular. See, base upon perpendicular. Or cot R, what is base? QR. What is perpendicular? 12. That is equal to pi upon 12. So you got it now. Tan P minus cot R. Pi upon 12 minus pi upon 12 equal to 0. Okay, students? See, important is naming these properly, writing correct ratio in less time. Okay, very good. Now, see, students, we will go to example number 4. All of you please see the video 2 times yourself with concentration, understand, listen properly, you will come to know how to solve it. Okay? And if you understand, really your understanding, please subscribe. Any doubt in example, talk to me personally. Don't be unhappy, please. Okay? Now see, if you are subscribing, I'm telling you, other students, those who are not able to get videos free of cost. See, my videos are detailed, lengthy, complete explanation, example, sufficient practice. So, maximum students will get benefit because of your subscription. Okay, now see, let us take example 3, 4. 3 tan theta equal to 4. So, therefore, tan theta equal to 4 upon 3. Draw triangle. Now, theta. Theta, which angle theta? Either this or this. Okay, I am taking this theta. Okay, now see, I am naming A, B, C. Right? Some students may write like this theta. Theta. Okay, so it is up to us. That is name of the angle or measure of the angle. See now, theta. Right. Now let us come. A. What is formula of tan theta? Perpendicular upon x. For this theta, what is perpendicular? Opposite side. Base adjacent side 3. And you are drawing triplet 3, 4, 5. We are in class 10. We can remember some triplets. Now you got it now. 12, 13, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay, like this. In this practice, you will learn several triplets. Always keep in mind. Okay, now see. They are asking to find value of this. Sin theta, cos theta, sin theta, cos theta. Here there are two ways. First, some students will find value of sin theta, value of cos theta, and put in the example. Okay. See, I'm just doing both ways. Let me see how many students are favoring which method. First or second. See, I'm making it. See. 5. Students, very important. Now we have, with the help of given ratio, we have calculated. I am coming to both methods. Let us see how many students like first method or second method. It is up to you. I am taking it now. 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta upon 5 sin theta plus 2 cos theta. Now we are in class 10. We can write direct value from diagram. Sin theta equal to 4 upon 5. 4 upon 5 minus 3 cos theta. Cos theta equal to 3 upon 5. Okay, so divided by 5. Again, sin theta we got 4 upon 5 plus 2, 3 upon 5. Okay, we are putting value. Now see here, I will not cancel this. I will not cancel 5, 5 because I will have to find an LCM again. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 20. 3, 3, 9. 5, 4, 20. 3, 6 upon 5. See, denominator is same. So I can write directly 20 minus 9, 11 upon 5. 20 plus 6, 26 upon 5. See now. You are knowing, sir, you are in class 10. This is to be taken reciprocal. We are in class 10. No need to write this, students are cancelling directly. Okay, so we got it now. 26. Right? Now other way, see, look here. I am given value of tan theta. See, I am given value of tan theta. Okay, I can make cos into tan. If I know tan theta, I know cot theta. I know cot theta. Look here. I can convert sine into tan. I can convert cos into cot. If I divide numerator and denominator by sine will get cancelled and cos will become cot. Or if I divide numerator and denominator by cos, sine will change into tan and cos upon cos will become 1. It is up to you. Either convert sine into tan or cos into cot. If I want to convert sine into tan, I have to divide sine by cos. Okay. If I divide sine by cos, then I have to divide this both by cos. Divide numerator and denominator by cos, or divide numerator and denominator by sine. It is up to us. Okay. Now see. This you got it individually by finding sine cos from the formula. You have done this. Second way is done. See, what I am doing here now. I am dividing. See, divide numerator and denominator by sine theta. Okay. So see now. This comes sine upon sine 1. Minus 3 cos upon sine cot. Okay, we will write directly by class 10. Numerator and denominator by sine means both are by sine upon sine 1, cos upon sine cot, upon 5 sine upon sine 1 plus 2 cos upon sine cot. So I got it now. 5 minus 3 over 5. What is the value of cot? 3 upon 4. Divided by 5 plus 2 multiplied by cot 3 upon 4. Now again see 5 minus 9 upon 4. 5 plus 6 upon 2. See students here. Upon nothing is upon 1. So we have to find LCM. We have to find LCM. What it? We will get now LCM. 4 by 20. 4 by 20 minus 9 divided by 4 by 20 plus 6. Where is 4? 4 cancel. Yes, sir. We got it even upon 26. Okay. So I gave you example in both ways. Either solve, find value of sine and cos separately from the triangle. Put value, be careful, no greater, slowly by understanding, or think अब हम क्या करना है to convert in tan or cot. Put values, get answer. Right? I am giving 5 examples of the very same type. You will mark as SW and do yourself. Okay, students? Fine. See.